Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Begins. In this video, we will learn about variables and data types. So what are the variables? Variables are those where we can store the values. In Python, how we can declare the variable? Let's see. So for declaring any variable, you can use any alphabetic character to declare the variable and assign some values to it. So now I have declared the variable called x and assigned it the one value to that variable. So now if I am going to print that variable, then output will be 1. Okay, if I am running this file, then you can see output is 1. And whenever you declare the variable, your memory will assign one unique address to that variable, so you can access the value of that variable. So how we can check the address of memory address of this variable? So there is one method called id in a Python, so you can get the address of that variable. When I am running this, that time you will get one long number, as you can see, which is your address of variable in memory, where your variable's value is stored. Okay, and if you want to uh, get your address in hexadecimal form, then you can wrap your id function with hex function. Okay, and run your file. That time you will get hexadecimal form of your variable's address. Okay, and every value in a Python has a data type. So this value is type of integer, and there is a different type of data types in a Python, like integer, float, complex, set, list, tuple, string and boolean. These are mainly data type which are using in a Python. So currently we have declared the variable called x which have a integer value. So in a Python you don't actually need to define the data type. Variable automatically get the data type according to the values type. Currently value is integer, then your type of variable will be integer. So you don't need to define a data type for that particular variable. So let's see the type of variable x. So for that you have to write type function and pass your variable to it, and you will see the result like class integer. So you can get like this variable is the integer type. If I am changing the value of x to float and again I am running this, that time as you can see its type is float. Like next data type is complex. So if I am writing this type of value, complex value like imaginary value, then you will, sorry, I need to save this. As you can see, that is a complex data type. So variable will get the type of data from its value itself. So you don't actually worry about any data type in a Python. Okay, and for set, what is set? Set, using set you will eliminate the duplicate value from the list. So for understanding a set, we will see the first list data type. So here is the list data type. For list data type you need to write in a square bracket, and list will allow you to store any type of value inside of it, right? Integer, float, string, and you will see the type of this variable, sorry, I forgot the comma over here, and as you can see, this is the list data type of variable. And let's back to the set, and if I'm adding any duplicate value for that, then, and if I pass that to the set function, so set is one of the data type which eliminate your duplicate value, and we will learn run this file, then you will get this set object of this variable. Okay, and after that, if you want to check tuple, then for that tuple also you add multiple types of value in that, but in tuple you cannot change the value, and in a list you can change the value of that element. We will see the difference of list and tuple in the next videos, but currently we are sorry, you don't need to write tuple over here, you have to write only in a parenthesis. Okay, so these are the symbol of parenthesis where you have declared the tuple, and if you want to declare the tuple blank tuple, then you can declare like this also. Okay, after that there is a string, you can define any string with single quote and write it, and if we are running this, as you can see, that type is string, and for boolean true and false value, you can assign those values to variable, and that will give you the data type boolean bool. Okay, and other type is dictionary. So in a dictionary you can store your values in a key and value pair. To declare a dictionary, we have to write like this. In a curly braces, we need to define our value. In a dictionary, we need to define one key, and key will be always unique, otherwise you will get an error. So how we can write that key and value pair? So first of all, I am writing one key called name, and after that, that value is tag, and value will be anything and any data type value you can store over here. And if you will run this Python file and see the type of variable, then it will give you the dict, that is dictionary. So now, so how you can define the dictionary and define the key and value pair? Your key must be a unique for that dictionary. Okay, and if you write more key and value pair, then you can write like this. Okay, this is how you can define the dictionary and assign it to the variable. We will see the different method of dictionary in the next videos. I hope you will understand the concept of variables and data type. See you in the next video. Thank you.